How to resolve error 0x80070043. The network name was not found. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the network name was not found error on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is, first you'll need to open up your run. To do that, simply press Windows plus R key together and your run should open up. Now on your run, you'll need to type in %temp%. Now after you do that, hit enter and your folders should open up. Now what you need to do is delete each and every folders here. Simply copy all. You can use Ctrl plus A to copy everything and then simply delete it. Now tap on the delete button, it's right here. Tap on delete to delete your folders. After you delete the folders, what you'll need to do is you'll need to restart your computer and check if your problem is resolved. If that does not resolve your issue, what you'll need to do is you will need to open up your CMD. So open up your command prompt, and on your command prompt you'll need to type in the following code. Now this is the codes that you'll need to run here. I'll be sure to provide these codes on the description down below. So simply copy these codes and paste it on your command prompt, and after the code it runs, you can again restart your computer once and then check if the problem is resolved. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.